how to add contacts in Telegram or how to add a new contact in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnath and today I'll guide you on how you can add contact in Telegram. Now if you want to add new contact on Telegram, it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Telegram application and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this, right? At the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see two different icons. You can see the pencil icon there and you can see the camera icon there, right? So what you want to do is, in order to add contact, you want to first tap on the pencil icon there. Once you tap on pencil icon, you can see various options. You can see new group, new secret chats and new channel, right? But in order to add contact, what you want to do is you want to tap on that plus icon that you can see along with the friend request plus icon, the contact plus icon that is essentially at the bottom right corner of the screen. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to enter in the first name of the contact that you wish to keep the name, and then last name optional, and then you want to tap on the country code and you can change the country code if you want, and then you can add in the number here and tap on create contact and the contact will be saved. So this way you can add new contact in Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.